covering our greenhouse, preparing for the cold weather this coming February 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, as go down to 20 degree, and this is gonna be the first time since we've been here. And thank you, Kevin and Joe, for helping us covering our greenhouse. Mark and I, we really appreciate your help, and God bless your heart to both of you. Trying to save my plants, most especially with plants from the pots. So my husband put inside the greenhouse, and Joe and Kevin trying to help together covering our greenhouse, and I helping my husband to arrange putting all the plants inside of the gazebo, trying to save those plants from the pots inside the gazebo. The way we can, it's easy to cover in one time instead hiwa-hiwalay. Kaya ayun, tulong kami ng asawa ko kasi medyo mabigat yan sa akin, kaya tinutulungan niya ako. Dalawang bagay na kailangan namin i-save yung aming mga halaman, lalo na yung nasa paso, like a hurricane and cold in the winter time. But this is the coldest one since we moved down here. And ayan, ako na yung umakyat. At sabi ko sa asawa ko, I'm the monkey, grown up in the jungle. Kaya ako na yung umakyat kasi delikado siya, gawa ng may back pain yung husband ko. Kaya I would rather na ako yung aakyat kasi mas lighter ako, tsaka mahilig akong mag-akyat nung panahon na nasa jungle ako. He's trying hard to helping me too, pero except lang yung umakyat siya sa itaas kasi delikado. Ayun, I trying to spread na matakpan all the way down on top of it para at least masuportahan yung mga halaman ko dito sa aking greenhouse. Ganito ang mangyayari kapag ikaw ay mahilig sa mga halaman, kasi kailangan mo rin naman silang isalba, kasi pinagpaguran ko yan na alagaan. Hindi ko naman basta-basta pabayaan lang. Kaya we're trying hard na i-cover or i-save yung mga halaman ko. Thank you for watching!